I've just gotten to the foot of my stairs home, coming home after work, and I've got a package from Amazon. Woo. Table's a mess, don't care. It's covered in laundry and other stuff. Sinking boat alarms, cricket mallets. The piston that I have to send out to old mate who gets the car right months ago. It's in that package. Open. Where's the middle? Off to one side. Of course the middle is off to the side. Where else would it be? Ooh, goodies! I have a box. New camera. I have a new dash cam. Well, a dash cam because I've never owned one. I hope there's two in that box because I ordered two. That says I didn't order two. And the accessories kit for the camera. So it's got the case and all the goodies. Hang on. Okay, here's my new 4K. I hope I got the right one. AS300. No, that's not right. Have I been mega burnt in my very first purchase from Amazon? Is that what's happened here? Let me look at my order. Well, I've gone through all the Amazon records. I know for a fact I ordered two of these at this price, but the invoice doesn't reflect that, neither does the order history. But it was, these were $90 each, or two for $140. That's why I bought them. They don't accept returns from Australia, according to the terms and conditions on Amazon. So for those who are from the US, Amazon's only just delivering to Australia now, and I thought I'd give them a try. And this item, this camera, is not the one I wanted. Now I'm remiss to say they screwed the order up because I've got no evidence of it. But I know for a fact that I didn't look for anything but the 3000 model, which is a 4K camera. It's not junk, it's better than the old one that I've got, but I wanted to upgrade to a 4K one because I wanted the best thing I could. I mean, I'm going to have to use it because there's no returns from Australia. So I've been screwed over on my first order from Amazon, which is very disappointing. Has got the rest of the hardware bits, cables, batteries. It's all there. But yeah, I've been looking through the order history and here, exchanges and replacements. I don't know, I can't find anywhere to say, hey listen, you shipped me the incorrect goods. It just says start a return. But right here, the item exchange must meet the following criteria. Shipped to an address in the US. So, I don't meet that criteria. I can't get a return. Now, I probably should have read that before I bought the stuff, but I wasn't expecting to have to get a return because they shipped me the wrong goods. And or didn't ship me the right quantity of the goods. The order says one, for example, on these. This dash cam, but I remember specifically the pricing being different. So, and I've got nothing. I didn't take a screenshot at the time. I suppose next time I order from Amazon. Well, I can't order from Amazon until they take returns. That's just, that's not cool. If I can't return it, I shouldn't be buying. I should have looked, but I got all excited about the Christmas specials and jumped straight on, and I shouldn't have. So yeah, if you are buying from Amazon, beware. I understand that the sellers on Amazon are the people who have done whatever they've done, either sent me the wrong camera or adjusted the order for that, because the order was adjusted. I saw it and stopped it and then went to a different item. I bought it from another seller because it kept saying there's a problem with my order, we recommend this product instead, and I'm like, no, I don't want the 300, I want the 3000. So I kept looking until I found one that delivered to Australia and was in stock and all of those parameters. Yeah, there's every chance I've missed something, but it's not likely. However, now that it's no good, none of it is what I wanted. Well, I mean, I did want that, but I wanted 2 of those. And I didn't want that. I wanted something different. And I paid for something different on both. So I'm not too happy about that. I can only see where I can leave a review, and I don't want to leave a review because I don't want to review the product. What I want to do is advise them that they sent me the wrong goods and that they need to get it sorted out because it's not what I ordered. They don't accept returns outside the US. So it could be screwed. Well, I've gotten to the bottom of the dash cam. I definitely checked this thing here, but this doesn't say 2 times. It says model 2.5K, an X1 1080p or an X1 2.5K, and I've read that at the time, obviously, as a buy a second one at half price type thing, and I've gone and messed up on that. I don't know what the difference is. 1080p, so it's a resolution, so it's a much higher resolution camera, which is not in and of itself a bad thing, but I didn't want to spend that much money. At that price bracket, there's other cameras I would have bought. Well, that's case closed on that one, and I've asked the other guys if they'd mislabeled the ADR 300 over the Christmas break. It could have been an error on their behalf. This would seem to suggest, that the error is on my behalf, because I can see how that's happened. As foolish and silly as that might be, I can't blame anyone else. Well, the upshot of looking into what I ordered off Amazon is I'm stuck with it. I don't know if I pressed the wrong button. I probably pressed the wrong button. But here's the Sony action cam that I didn't want to buy.